Alright, I hope everyone is doing well. For the past couple of weeks, I've had a neighbor who has been very interested in buying my 14 Chevy Silverado. And things just kind of progressed and threw out some numbers, and we agreed upon it. So I had to look to get another truck. So I decided I would go with the 2021 GMC Sierra AT4 with the 6.2 liter V8. Big engine, big power, kind of like a Corvette with four-wheel drive in a way. And at the end of this video, what I'll do is show you the window sticker, and I want to get the window sticker laminated, keep it. But essentially, this truck has every option available to it, including a sunroof. I don't know if you can see that up there, but there's a sunroof in there. Some of the initial things I did with this truck is, first off, just learn all the tech. It isn't too bad. It isn't too bad. Also installed my dash cam from the other truck. And one thing I did over here was put in a SAE 2-pin trickle charger. So it's in the garage here and I'm messing around with it. I don't have to fire the truck up to charge the battery. And that just connects right down there to a little trickle charger right there. But let's get back to the truck. So I got this in Tulsa, Oklahoma. The GMC dealerships here in Oklahoma City pretty much pissed me off. Wouldn't return my emails and texts. So I worked with the dealership in Tulsa, and they were straight up with me. And I like that. I like that. So they quoted me a price, and I get over there, and I use the GML military pricing, and also they had a rebate going on. No D&D, no TNT because I'm a disabled veteran. And I can't tell you, the MSRP for this is 66, and not even close to that. Way below 60. That's, I'm not going to tell you exactly what I paid for it, but way below 60 for an all optioned out pickup truck. Rear slider, 10-speed automatic transmission. One thing I notice here, no more gas cap. Uses premium fuel. I did order a Tiger under the rear seat storage box. These come with a stock little cubby hole thing right here, but I need a bigger one because I got more stuff to put in here. Came with all these mats, all-weather, all-purpose mats. Needs to get some window tint here for the windows here. And yeah, it's got everything. I've only driven it back home from the dealership, and I've just been running the Chevy while I get this thing tweaked out the way I want it. Heads-up display right here, which is really slick. The seats are a little on the thin side, and they don't adjust this way as good as the Chevy. Needs a little bit more padding right here too. So I ordered this little seat cushion for my fat butt to sit on. And I also got a, it doesn't come with a little storage tray right here. Big freaking center deal in here, but there's no storage tray, so I found this on Amazon for 20 bucks. USB-C works good. Wireless charging down there. I'm not going to fire it up for you. I'll save that for a drive video. But yeah, there's plenty of videos out there on these trucks. I did notice final assembly was in Fort Wayne, Indiana, right there. Tire pressures are 41 pounds. If you saw the floor mass there too. But these are the Wrangler Duratrack AT style tires. About a 32-inch tire. It's got Rancho shocks all the way around, which are really, really soft in my opinion. And these tires are, well, you know, I have, the jury's still out. I've only driven it on the interstate, the turnpike, from Tulsa to Oklahoma City, and they made some noise. The ride was a lot different than the Chevy over there. And I only, you know, toward the getting close to home, I'll stop at a light, and I did hit it a little bit. Feel the power? This thing just frickin' took off. It's got some power to it. Excuse me. So there it is. It's in my garage, and let's show you the window sticker. Oh yeah, one thing I forgot to mention. I told the dealership this truck I had been eyeing online through their website for about 2 weeks, and the status was in transit. And I told the dealership as soon as it gets to the dealership and gets off the car carrier and goes through the PDI inspection to give me a call. And they called me immediately, and I went over there immediately and bought it on the spot. So this truck has not been beaten on, you know, through test drives for people who want to buy it and don't buy it and just go out and hammer on it and burn the tires up and stuff. So double win.